Hello, let me quickly show you the controls of the BMW R90. This is a 2020 model, but there is not much change to this bike for the last few years. So, let's start with the left side first. This button here, you pull it to flash and you push it forward for high beam. Okay. This button is for the hazards. Okay. So now the menu button, you can press it up or down. When you press it up, you change the display on the left side. So you have trip 1, trip 2, trip A. Trip A resets automatically every day. You have the engine temperature, the clock. You can enter the settings of the bike. There's nothing much to say about the settings, only a few things like the brightness of the display. The odometer, trip 1, you press and hold if you want to reset. Okay, so we are back to the trip 2 and trip A. So now when you press down, you change the display on the right side. You have the average fuel consumption here. Same thing, you press and hold if you want to reset it. Instant fuel consumption, it's now displayed in liters per hour, but when you ride it will show liters per 100 kilometers. Average speed, battery voltage, riding time. So the riding time, I've just reset it. It shows you how long you've been riding on the motorcycle. The date, and we are back to the fuel consumption. This is the speed you're in, currently in neutral. This button, ABS and traction control. This button is to turn off the ABS and traction control. You can see the lights here. You shouldn't turn the ABS and the traction control off, of course. These two lights are flashing. After a few meters riding, these should turn off. That means the ABS and traction control are working properly. Here, quite easy, turn signals, right, left, you push to cancel. It also cancels by itself after a while. The horn is here, okay. Now the right side here, you have this button is for the heated grips. When they are on, it's displayed here. 2 dots, it's the maximum, and now it's off. Okay, high, low, and off. Okay, this button is to kill the engine. You can, of course, switch it off with the key. To start the engine, just press down here. No need to accelerate, you just press and hold until the engine starts. Okay, what else? The steering wheel, you turn to the left and turn the key. Okay, so now it's locked. The fuel cap, you open it with the key. Nothing much to say. There is no fuel gauge on this bike, so when you reach the reserve, it will display on the dashboard. If you look for a power outlet, there is one here, just above the left cylinder. Depending on the weight on the bike, if you think the rear suspension is too soft, you can set it here by hand. Okay, I think I'm done. If you have any question, of course, please give me a call. You have my phone number. Thank you. Enjoy your trip.